These diaphragm exercises are going to help you to strengthen your diaphragm so that you know where it is when you want to engage it to give support to your singing. It's going to help you to build agility, and it's also going to help you to develop a very strong rolling diaphragmatic vibrato. The first is all on one note, and we do the exercise twice, and the sound is ha, ha. Now, it's not with your throat. You must be doing it with your diaphragm. You'll feel it. So where you laugh, you'll feel it bouncing. That's actually, start lower. And it goes like this. Ha, 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 ha. Ha, 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 ha. So you'll feel your diaphragm bouncing. You don't want your whole body jolting like this. You don't want to be going ha, 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 ha. And some people do that. Some people do it with their shoulders. Ha, 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 ha. We don't want that. You don't want to be doing it with your head. You should only feel your diaphragm bouncing like it does when you laugh. Anything else is just going to cause tension. And as we all know, tension is the enemy of singing. Now, before we dive in, even though I've shown you the exercise, but before we do dive in, remember to click subscription, hit the notification bell, and remember to like and comment as well, and let me know what you like about the exercise when we're done. So thank you to everyone who's already subscribed. Let's go. Let's do it. So we're starting here, and here we go. 5, 6, 7, and ha 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 ha. Ha 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 ha. Ha 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 ha. Ha 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 ha. Ha 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 ha. Ha 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 ha. Ha 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 ha. Ha 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 ha. Ha 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 ha. Ha 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 ha. Ha 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 ha. Keep going. Laugh it off when it gets difficult. Those with the lower voices, you might be thinking about finishing now. Don't strain. Mezzos and sopranos, you should still be with us. But don't force it. Don't strain your voice. This is very high. Please only sing up here if it's comfortable. And back down. Laugh it off if it's getting difficult. You can do it. It is a long exercise. Keep going. Breathe as well. Breathe. It feels lower than it is. Almost there. Breathe. Too low for me. Last one. Okay, how is it feeling? You should be really feeling your diaphragm now, feeling it build up in strength. If it hurts, stop and come back to the video. If it's not too bad and you feel like you can carry on, then let's keep going. And this again is twice round. Now the temptation as we get into the exercise is to go ha 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 ha. This isn't a singing exercise. This is a diaphragm strengthening exercise, and it's also about accuracy. Ha 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 ha. So keep it short and punchy so that your diaphragm can build up the strength. You imagine that you're bouncing one of those giant balloons that you get at kids' parties. As it gets high, it's going to get harder to control, and that's where the exercise really digs in. So you remember to laugh it off. So as you know, as I said earlier, the diaphragm is where you laugh from. So if you laugh it off, rather than really trying to force it and push it, it's going to be easier. So we won't do quite as long an exercise here. We'll start and finish here. So here we go. 5, 6, 7, and ha 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 Keep going. Laugh it off. I've slowed down a bit for you. Back down. Last one. Well done. Take some long breaths. Let your diaphragm relax. And I hope that you have enjoyed it. If you do this every day, you're going to find that it's going to be much easier to give support, that famous word that everyone loves to use, support to your voice. You're going to build a nice strong diaphragm. It's going to be easier to develop vibrato, and your agility is going to get much more accurate. I'll see you very soon. Remember to like and comment. Tell me what you've enjoyed the most. Tell me how far you got if your stomach's aching now. Take care, stay hydrated. Ciao.